Just like that, Auntie Joy, why you let the enemy, why you let the devil use you like this? How come? Was it carelessness or negligence, or you just execute this plan just to punish innocent lady? Why, Auntie Joy? My people, another update don come again because the online in-laws really dey ask how the Nigerian police come do Joy, who happens to be the nanny of late Ifeanyi, Davido's son, wey just RIP on the 31st of October. Up till today, e still be like shock. E still be like say we dey dream, make everybody wake up to see that it was a nightmare. It's unfortunate say e come be true say Ifeanyi really RIP. My people, a lot of people dey ask, like I talk, wetin dem dey do, how dem dey do Joy, because will dey still let us know say the nanny and the cook na dey still dey for police custody. Dey detain dem and dey release other 6 domestic staff, and dey still dey investigate the matter. How come both of una, wey be say most especially the nanny, your duty for the house no be to do any other job, na to officially take care of Ifeanyi, and dey pay you for that. That's why you are called a nanny. You are just like an assisting mother when they take care of a child when the mother, the biological mother, no dey. But we no know wetin happen, how water take enter coconut on that day when e be say all of una, nobody know wetin really happen to Ifeanyi. Well guys, according to the latest report and news wey dey circulate for the internet space, say Davido's family up till today they never even still get this nanny time at all, but she still in police custody. They still detain her there until the investigation is complete. Guys, make I shock you now, they don't involve Larissa London, who happens to be Davido's 4th baby mama, into this matter. As I dey talk to una now, IG on fire, because the way everybody just dey call Sophia Momodu first, the Davido first baby mama, now they don't put eye for Larissa body as e be say everybody is a suspect when Ifeanyi RIP is involved. My people, I go come to that, but this one when e be say that they ask Joy make she talk true, the nanny make she talk wetin happen, if actually she no really know, if actually somebody pay her to do this, if actually this thing happened out of negligence, carelessness, and maybe then unfortunately no be her fault. So my people, as the matter dey go for IG, people still dey insist say make the Adeleke family make one, like a representative, come out sef, come even talk how they want the matter to be, because they no go fit just detain this nanny and the cook for police custody for how long they care. My people, how na dey see am? Because for me, I don't even know what to say, whether they detain the nanny, whether they detain the cook, whether they even detained all the 8 domestic staffs that were around the day Davido and Chioma traveled to Ibadan and left their son in their care. That little boy is not coming back again. Wetin don happen. We no go fit dey question God. Yes, so my people, what has happened, and we know say God get reason for everything. Everything when dey happen for life, God go always fix am at his own appropriate time. My people, so Larissa London matter enter this thing. They begin drag Larissa London up and down, say now your own they accept am, and now Chioma own go. They say this Larissa London not pure at all, because e don tey when Larissa London dey drag Davido. Na only she be the single parent. She can't even unfollow Davido immediately. Davido still come back with Chioma, like when they show their love for social media. Yes, so my people, not be only Sophia Momodu they go dey call. And this evening, I like how they give am hot boto for the comment section, because really guys, all of them is a suspect. Yes, not be saying that they get hand in the death of Ifeanyi, but at least they never loved Chioma for once. They never wanted this relationship to lead to marriage. They were just stuck with Davido. No one of them won't move on with their life. Yes, so guys, make una lis ten to the thing well before I go drop comment. I no talk say maybe na them dey involved for Ifeanyi RIP. I mean the way when it be say all of them really were just with Davido for their own selfish interest. That is my point, and that is what the online in-laws now they drag Larissa London for. Few months ago, now Davido can officially accept dancing as his second son when even carry am for knife. Una see the video wey go viral for Pastor Toby church where everybody come dey happy say last maybe the DNA test don prove and say is the biological father. So Davido accept am. Even when Ifeanyi celebrate in 3rd year birthday, Davido added dancing to the father's grandkids. So everybody really dey happy for Larissa London say finally Davido don accept her son, and now we believe say all this Q&A section when she come dey do for Instagram e go stop. All of a sudden na so we see say Larissa London come and say she have had enough. She go come out on at 7 p.m. come talk wetin dey go on. But guys, trust me, the online in-laws really na so they still face her up till today. She no come out come talk wetin she be wan talk. Like, and now Davido accept your son according to the online in-laws. Chioma can't go. Larissa London, the way when she fete dey attack Chioma indirectly, like all of them, no one out of the 3 baby mama say this one even they celebrate Chioma pikin as the heir apparent of Davido, or may they even like him like Ifeanyi. None of them even celebrated him at his 3rd year birthday. Guys, that aside, now so they begin talk say this Larissa London a bad head ever since when he be say Davido not accept her son dancing. This kind of big temptation, this kind misfortune wey can't fall on top Davido and Chioma now not happen. How come all of a sudden everything just change? Davido and Chioma just show the world how really God assigned their life to be, how God programmed their life, say they are destined to be husband and wife. They show love to each other, begin kiss for club. Like Davido really this period, I just can't even dey talk. No need for marriage because I don't even see who marriage help. Wetin husband and wife they do. Davido and Chioma were already doing it. All of a sudden we can't see say person just wake up, see say fine picture they circulate for social media say he don't RIP. Meanwhile guys, they point finger to Larissa London. If he be say na bad head na she won't carry come that Davido life, make she just do away, make she stay clear. Because when Davido never accept her son, not be say accept her as a lover or wife or girlfriend, but at least Davido go wan see dancing. Definitely na true Larissa London, and which now according to report and rumor, Davido really need to set boundaries. He need to stop all these contacting baby mamas before he get to the son. Even if he wants to, at least in management, his team, if people go they reach out to the baby mamas if at all they won't come visit Davido, because make all of them just move on with their life. This thing when it happened to Davido and Chioma, we not 1 year again say but Davido baby mama do this, they do that. They have done enough. They don't do their worst. Even if nobody they accuse them say na they meme ifi na they buy Ifeanyi, but at least this one they don't do Chioma, so it don't do. Yes, so my people, how na the reason the matter? Chioma na the only woman when Davido publicly introduced to the world say this is the woman of his dream. Now this one be the wife when he go marry. But yet the baby mamas, they not gree leave Davido alone. They begin become obstacles, distractions for Davido. And now Davido can finally make up his mind, say this is the time, make it do the right thing, marry Chioma. Now this kind of thing can happen. Guys, make una drop una comment. And for the nanny when still there for police custody detention, how una reason am? Una feel say it's still good make them leave am there since they don't investigate, and up to this moment nothing has been found in her. Like they never see anything when they will feel trace to whosoever that called her the moment she stepped aside to receive that call when Ifeanyi say leave her sight. Guys, drop your comments. This na Davido'S TV. God bless you all massively. Stay tuned for more updates, and also remember to put up the post notification bell so that anytime I upload any latest updates you will get notified and be the first to watch. Nigerians and the online in-law say now Larissa London don't they happy say na her son dancing come be the first son. Maybe that now waiting she they pray for. Maybe that was her plan ever since when it be say now Davido don't finally accept her son. See wetin can happen. happen? Guys, who knows? Everybody is a suspect o. No be say she be real oyibo. Larissa London, make una go where she come from. Not be my mouth una go hear. Thanks guys, I will see you on my next video.